Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to cover how to bid for reverse book building of Vedanta. So currently it's trading at 137 and the today's date is 6th October and the time is 2 o'clock. There is a many options in the downside of the app called Zerodha. Watchlist startup portfolio apps and account. Go to the account and click on the portfolio. Once you go to your portfolio, here on the menu tab, you have to go to again portfolio and corporate actions. In that, there are many options like offer for sale, buyback, delisting, and takeover. In delisting, there is an option of Vedanta, how much you want to bid. So once you click on this one, it will ask for place order. So I prefer you to sell at the rate of 300 or more than that, and currently I am having a shares of 10. So guys, please type sorry, please type how much quantity you have and type the bid amount. So in this case I prefer to bid at 300 rupees, and don't select offer price. Offer price is the price which is given by the company. If you select the floor price, it will automatically takes the price as 87.25. So I will suggest you to not to select floor price and type the price how much ever you want. So once you're done with this, click on the submit button guys. That's all.